Why is the SmallBizDavid landing page a very optimized, very Google-ized community landing page? We have spent a great deal of time developing a technology platform in our community. Social marketing, social network technology platform. We have learned in the last 4 months what a very optimized landing page is, what it means. Because we have studied Google, we have studied Google's rules of engagement, and subsequently we have been able to develop a landing page that properly optimized. We can drive traffic directly to that page, not just to a domain, but to a URL. So the URL is davidsbarter.com/SmallBizDavid. So when you get involved and have your own landing page, you'll have the domain name, the URL, davidsbarter.com/ whatever keywords you want to use to drive traffic to your page. So it starts with the URL. Very, very important. If you Google David's Barter, if you Google SmallBizDavid, you get search result page after page, literally listings of all the things that we have done, starting actually it's been less than 4 months that the search results that you see. Typically it takes 3 weeks for Google to even recognize that you exist. And then our challenge today is, with the fantastic results that we have been able to see, our challenge is, what is it, because our search results will change from day to day. And it's fascinating to me to try to understand what it is that the search engines recognize to make a new listing that dominates other listings. We see a lot of YouTubes, obviously. That is a very, very important concept to our community landing page, because every community landing page will have a YouTube player. So you will, and this all works into the optimization process, the concept. You will record in YouTube, as I'm doing right now. We will show you how to code and take the information to Google+, and the result is the traffic driven to davidsbarter.com/SmallBizDavid in this case. Okay, so a landing page will have a banner. This is my avatar, my logo. You can't see it real well there. You see it better here. And you can have your avatar. We think that the avatars will be a novel use, have a novel use in our community. And when done properly, if you would check my Google Plus listings, you will see that that avatar appears constantly. That's part of the brand awareness. We have created a very specific, optimized Google and YouTube brand value to the community. Once inside the community, then we use our local, our own unique, specific search engine to drive traffic to your page based upon the keywords that you use. You want to make sure early on that you create a profile, a community marketing profile, 6 fields of information. They should be laden with keywords, as mine is. That's the kind of thing that, as we make those keywords, as Google recognizes those keywords, that's what will drive traffic to your page. So your community profile is extremely important in the development of a very optimized page. Next comes the offer. Now this is my offer. This is SmallBizDavid's offer. You will have your own specific, unique product, service, whatever it might be. Whatever it is that you want to either generate leads, more importantly, generate sales right from the landing page. Our particular offer here is 10,000 charter lifetime members to the SmallBizDavid Foundation, dedicated to starting new businesses with small business collaboration. Okay, right there we have use keywords in the description of our landing page. Starting a new business, small business collaboration. Those are words that we use all the time as we drive traffic to our community. In this particular case, I have established 2 membership levels, a priority status, simply $99, and a upgraded status of priority status to $199, which will include, and here's the difference, a YouTube that appears in the community, outside of the community, and we will work with you to develop that. And then here's what the offer includes. In this case, priority messaging from me, which will give you daily updates, weekly updates, keyword advice. That's part of the priority status. You will get a personalized copy of Chapter 23 that I wrote in a book that was done with Brian Tracy, not me personally. But, well, I only had Chapter 23. There are 32 chapters in the book. And Business Strategies for Explosive Growth. I'll personalize one of those to you based upon an answer to a question that you would like me to share with you, my answer to the question about small business. That's my expertise, small business. And the other parts of my offer. Here's where you will use that space to develop your product, service offering, whatever it might be. Okay, so we have the banner, as we call it, my avatar, which is known by Google, and our product offering, our community marketing profile, 6 fields of information, no private information, just information that will drive traffic to your page based upon your use of keywords that best describe what it is that you do. YouTube media player. I'll have a YouTube, your own YouTube library, if you will. I have mine. There's now over 200 YouTubes that we have done. And you will be able to change those. Very easy changes on a day-to-day basis. I do all of this myself with the platform that has been put into place. And then you can use this side of the page. In this case, I am offering a free, a complimentary, I don't like to use the word free, a complimentary PDF of my first book, How Do You Answer These 749 Questions About Your Small Business. I was just looking for a copy of the book. A book that I wrote 4 years ago. It's a good book to have for several reasons. First of all, it asks compelling questions things that you need to think about for your business. Not all questions, not all 749 questions are going to be important to you. Many and most of them will be. I've given you, provided the white space so that you can take notes. If that question is important to you, how do you find the answer to that question? Who do you talk to? What research do you do? Etc., etc. Plus, if there's 749 questions, there are at least 749 keywords. So you can use the book to develop the keywords for your offering and put it into your community profile somehow. That's another reason. So we're making a complimentary copy of the book available. And then in this area we have, in my case, press information. I have press releases that are distributed on a monthly basis, and we use this area to provide links to those press releases, which are very, very important. The links that are created, backlinks, forward links, whatever they might be, very, very important to the optimization of your own landing page. That's pretty much it. We hope you will not only become a member of our community, but get your own community landing page and enter our Entrepreneurs Fun Game. It's going to be a lot of fun because 7 different winners in 7 different sociographic categories will share in what we are calling the 2012 Earned Cash Flow Bonus, meaning that your landing page in the community generates the most cash flow within your category. And we've got the 7 categories listed. We make it very easy for you to share your landing page. Actually, somehow those disappeared, but we make it very easy for you to send your landing page to your Facebook friends, to your LinkedIn friends, to your Twitter friends, to your Google Plus friends. We urge you to do that because it enhances your search engine optimization value.